In this video, let's try to simplify another algebraic expression that involves group symbols. So in my previous video, I told you that grouping symbols consist of your curly brackets. It could be parentheses, and then you also have brackets, and then absolute value bars. So those are the symbols for grouping symbols. Now, if you have an algebraic expression with various grouping symbols, the first thing that we have to do is we have to identify which is the outermost groupings and which is the innermost grouping. Now, in our expression here, we have two major groupings. So you have the groupings of the curly brackets here and the groupings of the one inside the parenthesis, and then that's your outer grouping, the curly brackets and parentheses. However, you also have inner groupings, which is consists of this and this. Okay, so those are your inner groupings. So in simplifying this, we have to start first with the inner groupings. So from there, we get 5 curly brackets 2x plus, let's simplify this. So let's distribute 3 over here. You have 12x minus 15. And then let's distribute the negative sign in each term. Here you have minus 2x minus 7. Okay, let's remove the parenthesis already. And then bracket, curly brackets, minus 3 parenthesis 6x minus 2 times 3, you get 6x. 2 times negative 4, you get negative 8. And then positive, so just retain the sign of the terms inside the parenthesis. So you will have plus x minus 2 bracket and then parenthesis. And then let's eliminate the brackets already. So this one, let's try to eliminate this by combining similar terms. So from there, we have 5 curly brackets 2x plus 12 and negative 2, you have negative 10, right? And then, positive 10x. And then negative 15 and negative 7, you have negative 22. And then here you have minus 3, 6x, minus 6x and x, 7x, minus 10. Negative 8 and negative 2 is negative 10. Okay. And then let's eliminate the brackets. You have 2x. Since this one positive, so just retain the sign of the terms inside. So you have 10x minus 22. Curly brackets minus 3 times 6x. This one, since this is negative, so we have to distribute the negative in each term on the parenthesis. So you have minus 7x and then positive 10. Negative times negative, yes. So you have positive 10, parenthesis. Okay. And then let's simplify again. Let's simplify the ones here and here. So you will have 5 12x minus 22 minus 3 6x and negative 7x, so you have negative x plus 10. And then since you have a coefficient beside your grouping symbol, let's distribute this again. So 5 times 12x, you get 60x. 5 times negative 22, negative 110. And then let's distribute negative 3 over here. So negative 3 times negative x, you get positive 3x. And then negative 3 times positive 10, you get minus 30. So 60 x and 3x, let's combine similar terms. So you have 63x, negative 110, and minus 30, you have minus 140. So this is our final answer.